Just last night, my younger cousin called me about the Chris Brown concert because he hella wants to go. And he was asking me like, oh, like come out with me. But I told him I just got back from LA and I was like, do I want to spend more money? I bought a pair of shoes that I probably shouldn't have bought, but I'm looking at it right now and it's well worth the money. There's a long story behind this, but I'm not really going to get into it. Renz is outside, so I'm going to head on out and I do still need to get gas. So... Oh, hell nah. He's wearing new shit.
Hell nah. How do you have your size?
I just said fuck it and got the
What size is that?
42.
10 or 9?
9. It was the same one that I posted. Wait, what the fuck is that?
You're ceasing.
Yeah, because I didn't eat yet, but I'm going to show my grandparents first and then we'll leave. I just want to see the reaction to my shoes. My grandma's upstairs, so like, oh no, she's down here. They're both here. Papa, Mama Dory, look at my shoes. Look at my shoes, Pa. But we're gonna go concert. Yeah.
Where?
Sacramento. Yes. I'm gonna heat up some food, then we're gonna go.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Okay. Good.
The boy Art. Cheers. CB.
Cheers.
CB. You gotta take at least 4 shots. What the
What do you mean, what? The fuck? We're here for a good time.
Come on.
Come on. Fuck. Ugh. This motherfucker already watching this concert.
I saw clips already. How you feeling?
Cut the red cup.
Where's Papu? Last one? Right?
You need a what?
I need another drink. That shit wasn't enough.
What you need? What you...
Oh shit, it's men's.
I think these are our seats right here.
So we got shit.
Bro, I'm taking a piss. And Chris Brown is on right now. Bro, my cousin is up in 2:15. He left us. Tell him. Alright, I need to wash my hands real quick. We just got done. It was lit. Not gonna lie. We got kicked out of these seats that weren't even ours, but shit. We was there for a cool minute. And then we ended up
for an hour.
Yeah.
Then we went over here, and then people was there over here.
Yeah.
We was dancing with them. There's some highlights. That shit was cool.
I didn't record too much, but shit. It was fun. That shit was well worth the 150.
Oh hell yeah. We snuck in.
I'm hungry.
And then went back to our original place. It was cool.
First time at Golden One. This shit hella nice, for real. So Tiger is having an after party, a Chris Brown after party, and there's hella people entering.
Unofficial, but
Yeah, unofficial
I'm
after
pulling
party,
up.
but
Like,
it's free, so we might as well just check
I'm
it out
pulling
because it's
up,
right
bro.
around the corner.
I'm Chris Breezy.
All right, bro. You ready?
My door.
Find your Latina. There was hella people, but I'm pretty sure it kind of cooled down already. But we'll see. Oh shit, never mind. I lied. We'll see how long we wait. Not gonna lie, we chalking that shit because we not finna get in till that shit closes and we're all hella starving. So there's no point of us waiting in line no more. There was a spot called Townie, and that shit was free, but fuck that. Ooh,
Go take it.
Alright, go Arch. Rate it out of 10.
What's that, about a 8.5?
If we didn't get kicked out of the seats, our seats, then damn, that shit would have been a 10 out of 10. But
Shit, even if we did get kicked out, we still like.
nah, that shit was
We
lit.
were
I ain't
still
gonna lie.
with some like
Yeah.
10 people. You feel me?
It was cool, but time for In-N-Out now, so. Ooh. Oh damn, chopped already. Yes, sir, ski. I swear I asked for fries, bro. Yes, let me look at the receipt.
No, you didn't. They gave you a drink instead. I'm gonna just say so.
That just fucked me up.
Wait, what'd she say?
She said, I went to Chris Brown concert too. She was like, I got a new phone. Hi.
Okay. Wait, so she has mans now again?
Again, I think she went back. I said no onion. Fucking asshole. Where's my onion?
So I just got out the gym. Need to grab the exhaust for the Type R, and then from there I'm gonna head over to Ben's because my boy Twinkie is finna do the exhaust for me, and I'm hella excited because, you know, it's just hella boring when there's no exhaust on this, and it needs one ASAP. So about to get that done and then give it a wash as well. I do need to get gas. I'm at halfway right now, but I should still be good because Fairfield's not that far. Gotta make sure I have some space. I gotta clear some of this shit out though. And I'm about to lay this down. Boom. I think it should fit on just this one, so. Boom. Let me fix it. There it is. This is gonna be the last time you guys hear this car with the stock exhaust. Just left my house and I did decide to bring the side skirts and the wing extension. As you guys can see, it's just right here. This is the side skirt because it's pretty lengthy and it's just sticking out. But got a total of 3 boxes up in the back, and hopefully we can put everything on. For sure the exhaust is going on because that's the #1 thing, that's the top priority. And then if we have more time, then we'll put on the side skirts and the spoiler extension. It's kind of crazy how everything's just coming together for this car, and I'm just super excited. And there's also a car meet happening this weekend. It's Bay Area Ham, so I'm trying to have this car ready by then. I'm gonna record more once I get to the shop, and then you guys will just see the process of everything. And I'm excited too because I haven't seen my boy Twinkie in a while, ever since I left, but it should be fun. Also, I just want to talk about last night because that whole concert was a good ass vibe, from the performances to the songs. I mean, the songs could have been way better, especially during the randomizer where it just picks a song, but overall it was just a good ass experience, good last minute decision. And I'm still on that concert high, so I'm trying to get to more, hopefully soon. I know Janae Aiko's having one, Thames is gonna have one, and also my favorite artist, Don Toliver. I've seen him like how many times already, so I'm excited for that. Especially one thing I didn't do is eat, so I'm a little hangry right now. I've been getting angry after we put like everything on, or whatever we could put on. I'm gonna just probably grab something quick to eat, something It's dirty.
No, but this is clean. I didn't even notice the front.
I
How
ain't
you
seen
been,
you
bro?
hella long.
I ain't gonna lie.
What?
Nah, this shit's hella clean. I
Preach,
want one. hella
preach,
bad
bro.
now. I want one even more.
You need
now.
you need to get the black one.
Some chrome wheels. Damn, nah.
Whoa, you got a brake. Put your shit on the brake. Rookie. You swear.
Oh, it's good.
We get
Alright, bet.
every real quick. Last time we gonna hear it.
You wanna get it like before?
Yeah. Why you do it? Go. No way. Was it at the part where like the box was broken
It was
or
like
no?
this. It was like this. I think like where this is at. I don't know. It was like that, and I lifted it up, and I took it off, and I saw it, and I was like, oh shit. You do
Damn.
not need 4 stickers, bro.
What the?
That's dope.
It's a badge that'll just go right here. Look. TOMEI Type R.
Yeah, look at the wind is rolling them around.
Look at this. Look at this. Damn near the size of my whole, even longer than my forearm. This shit is crazy.
Figure out how to
Damn.
these on, cuz.
Well, figure it out. Cause I don't got time.
Me.
Damn, whose fingerprint is that? Dirty ass
Don't
fingerprint. Change your glove. I just did. Oh my god. TOMEI. That shit look crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That shit look like a big ass microscope. Here's the old one. Damn.
Oh my god. I'm trying to just like pulling and letting it go, hoping it lands in the fucking.
Last one? Just a little bit.
Alright, boy.
Damn.
This is about to be on the way home.
Oh my god.
I thought it was gonna be loud as fuck.
I know. Fuck. We gonna see. Damn.
It's gonna get louder over time.
I know. Alright, go ahead. Oh my god. Damn. Yeah, low key. Bruh. Yeah, I can't wait to drive this shit, bruh. If you guys watched my, what was it? My vlog when I got the car, this was from Jason and Ronnie, so probably just gonna give this back to them. You swear. I got hella shit there. Done. You want this? Little chocolatey peanut butter Rice Krispies. Take it.
What's that in here, yo, girl?
I ain't got no girl.
Ah, hell nah. You not gonna go see Sexy Red, bro.
This is only comfort mode too.
Yeah.
little hot lad.